Lucky loves cake. He is so happy that the great cake contest is in town. What cake can I bake? He thinks. I know. I can make a pancake, shouts Lucky. He walks to Poncho's house to share his idea, but she already beat him to it. Or, what if I made a carrot cake? He wonders. He goes to tell Nini his plan, but she had the same idea. What about baking a black forest cake? He rushes to tell Kima what he's come up with, but he's too late. What other cake can I bake? He asks himself. How about a chocolate mousse cake? He arrives at Linda's house, but oh no. He was too slow. Lucky gets an idea. I will make a roly-poly cake. He gets to Zola's house, but she's way ahead of him. Lucky feels sad when he gets home because he is out of ideas. He asks his family to help him think about what great cake he can bake. Mama, Papa and his big sister all put their heads together to help him enter the great cake contest. The cake is so big, so wide, so tall, that it begins to wobble, wobble, wobble and fall. Oh no! Everyone at the great cake contest is covered in cake. Where are the judges? Where are the contestants? Where is Lucky? The judges munch and chomp their way out and everyone agrees, Lucky is the winner of the great cake contest. What cake would you bake?